sobrang hapon na guys. It's 5:45 ng hapon. I'm with Danny Boy. Kakasundo lang yan sa akin. Punta kami sa Subaru! Uli namin yung kanya sasakyan. Hay, nako. Grabe yung delay ng sasakyan niya. Nakakaloka. I'm still wearing my work clothes. Pero magpapalit ako kasi dinala niya ako ng ramper. Kasi pupunta kami sa beach after. Gusto niya mag-drive papunta sa beach. So we will do that. But yeah. Actually, magpapalit na ako dito ngayon na. Nakabihis na ako guys. Dito ako nagbihis sa sasakyan. Ito yung dinala din sa akin na ramper. So ito lang yung suot ko. Wala akong choice. Dinala niya din yung aking contacts para makapag-contacts ako. Tsaka para makapag sunnies. Okay. Ito yung sunnies na dala niya. Is this in here? In the car? Or from the house? Okay. Tapos, ano ba? Dinala niya din ako yung chanelas, guys. The best talaga tong tao.
Do you need these? I'll put it in the bag?
No, I'll wear the contacts. Not now. But, yeah, I'll wear it. Anyway, ito sa sasakyan niya pala, guys. Ano to, hindi kami magbabayad ng extra. Pina-trade lang namin ito. So, last day na, babe, it's our last day with this car. Ipa-trade namin itong maliit sa malaki kasi gusto niya ng malaki naman. So, hindi kami nagdagdag. Iti-trade lang namin siya kasi hindi pa time na magdalawa ng sasakyan. So, isa lang muna. Nagpapalit talaga sila ng sasakyan every 2 to 3 years. So, normal na sa kanya yung mga ganun. And wala siyang pinabayarang extra. Except kung yung pipiliin niya is mas mahal talaga na sasakyan. So, of course, kailangan niya magbayad ng extra. Yeah, I think most of the cars here, kapag brand new siya, kapag pinatrade mo siya, basta tama lang yung presyo or kapareho. Is it the same exact price as this one? The Subaru one?
Yeah.
Exactly the same.
Pretty much.
Yeah, so it's pretty much the same. Kaya yung pag-trade, very smooth. Maganda din yun, di ba guys? Na iba-iba yung sasakyan mo every 2 years. Tapos, same lang naman yung binabayaran mo. Kasi sabi niya, nag-iisip-isip pa siya eh. Matagal na namin to gusto kunin. No, hindi naman matagal. Nag-test drive kami. When was it, babe? August? Was it August? No. September. I think or October. Basta matagal na kami nag-test drive. I actually vlogged that day. Kaya lang hindi ko siya in-upload kasi hindi pa sure si Dan kung kukunin niya. And ayoko na mag-come across na ito, kung ano-ano lang pinagbablog. You know? Pero nung day na yun, parang sabi niya na talaga, yeah, gusto ko na siya. And ngayon lang siya na-finalize kasi binigyan pa ni Dan ng few weeks kasi he was thinking na kailangan ko ba talaga? Sabi ko, kung same lang naman talaga yung babayaran mo, it makes sense, diba? Na like, why not magbago ka ng sasakyan kung same lang naman talaga. Lagi ko tong aking contacts. Good luck. Contacts. Andito na kami, guys. Andito na yung sasakyan ni Dan. Hello, babe. Ikaw na talaga, babe. Tinanong ko sa kanya a few days ago kung ilalagay ba nila sa bow. Like, lalagyan nila ng bow. Kasi last time na dito kami, may bow yung isang silver eh. He went for the white pala. Yung original ni gusto talaga is dark gray. Tapos, exciting pala guys kapag may bago, nakakaloka. Ayun guys, oh. Ayan siya guys. Malaki yung gusto niya. Gusto ko sana ipakuha sa kanya yung maliit, like sports car. Ayaw niya eh, kasi magkapareho yung sports car ng Subaru at saka itong sports car niya na Toyota. Magkapareho lang sila ng itsura. Yay! Ito na guys, malaki. Malaki siya pero hindi siya kasing laki ng mga normal na SUV kasi 'di ba yung iba sobrang hahaba. Pero yeah. Ay cool. Tapos hindi pala ito. Gagawin lang namin yung paperworks.
We can do camping like that, babe.
Camping? Oh my gosh. Yan yung sasakyan niya guys. Ano lang, white. Oh, bye car. Ibibigay na namin siya sa kanila. Bye. Can you get my stuff, please? Thank you. Yeah, go.
So that locks it?
Yep.
Okay. And then the unlock, is that?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Okay. And if you leave the key inside, it will be
It'll be.
sweet. Okay.
Fuel, obviously. Yeah. Time. That's the setting screen. You can actually change your time and things like that. Yeah. This here is to do with your eyesight screen again. So it's these, you've got the lane departure and then the obstacle detection. You can turn them on and off. It gives you that visual cue. That's an inclinometer. Shows you if you're on incline. That's a little bit gimmicky, I think, but it's there. Maybe it come in handy if you're going off-road. Yeah. Temperatures.
Oh my gosh, babe! Oh, bye, car!
Bye.
Aww.
Arrivederci. Sayonara.
Aww.
This one feels so much nicer.
It does.
And so smooth. It's really
We're so high up. It's cool. Congrats, babe. You have a new car.
My glasses. Where's my glasses?
I don't know. He loves it, you guys. We're very summery, babe. Ito talaga yung pinili niyang romper. They gave us a keychain as well. Ganda. Sosyalin, sobra. Anyway, punta kami ng Glenelg. Lalakad-lakad kami sa beach. The weather is really good, guys. Hello, did you bring my caramel? Where is it?
In the boot.
Okay. Ang ganda nito mag-caramel dito. Ay, nice, babe. Oh, I love, babe. And he got ano as well. Oops, sorry. No, that's not the volume. Okay.
That's the
Just
volume.
kidding. Okay, right.
Just press the digital buttons.
Alright, that's fine. Meron siya ano, guys, dashcam. Napalagay siya ng dashcam. Dito, oh, wait. Diyan, sa likod. Dashcam. Dito kami sa Grand Bar. Magpi-people watch kami. Dito kami sa labas. Ang ganda ng weather today, guys. Dami tao. Hindi naman ganun kadami, pero yeah. I've been using this bag that I got from Zara. Na-mention ko na ito na hindi siya ganun ka-spacious. Pero yeah, it looks good. Okay. I think I'm gonna go with nacho con carne. Nachos na naman. I got my nacho con carne. And then Nan, what did you get?
Burger.
Burger? Just a regular burger. That looks good, babe. The salad looks good. Nakikain tayo, guys. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Maglalakad kami dito sa jetty. It's busy. Marami ng tao kasi ano na, hapon na. Actually, gabing-gabi na. Anong oras na, babe? 8? Is it 8 now? 7:30? Dami ng tao. 8? Ang ganda ng background, oh. Over naman yung hangin, oy. Uwi na kami, guys, kasi gabi na. Do you want ice cream?
Ice cream?
Not really. But do you want one? What do you want?
Birthday. I didn't get any of my own birthday cake. I'm from the top, getting it out to strangers. I think I like the car.
We got our ice cream. I got mango. Uy, chura ko eh. What did you get, babe?
Chocolate cake.
Choc honeycomb?
Yep.
Yeah. Uwi na kami. Car looks good. Nice. Kunin namin yung car mount. Ito-try ko yung car mount. Dito sa likod. Gusto din to ni Dan kasi naka-cover do yung ano, gulo. Hindi daw masyadong kita. Si-set up ko yung car mount, guys. Ilalagay ko siya dito. Right. Dito ata. Dito. We'll see. Is that bothering you? Will it bother you? Okay.
Seatbelt?
Thank you. It's a bit crooked, but it is crooked. Oh well.
Why can't you straighten it?
I can. Okay, let's go. You're in the picture now.
Reputation.
Let's go home. So I will be testing it out and see kung hindi naman siya malalaglag. It's pretty sturdy. So okay lang to.
That's
Good,
nice
babe.
and quiet as well, isn't it?
It is. Yeah, maganda siya, guys. Very smooth. Kasi diba, naninibago din siguro kami kasi nasa taas kami. Tapos yung kasi amin, sobrang baba namin. Maganda to. Kasi kitang-kita ko talaga siya. Lahat
Where we
kitang-kita
gonna
ko.
keep that?
What?
We're going to keep that thing, the remote for the...
Just keep it there. It's perfect there. Sana hindi shaky, guys. Hindi ko alam.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah.
So in other words, you can take us, you know, pick us up now without being crammed in the back.
Yeah.
Do you want him to pick you up? Are you sure?
No.
No, it's good.
You know that.
Yeah.
I think you'd like this car, to be honest with you, Mum.
Welcome home! Welcome home! New car!
Get rid of that box.
Kasya ka ba?
What fucking box?
That box. Meron kaming donation box na hindi pa namin na kasi hindi magkasya sa old car niya. So makakasya na namin siya dito.
Right.
Will it fit?
I think so.
Bahay na kami, guys. Meron na naman kaming mga papel na dumating sa mail. Ito yung mga sinesend ng mga shops para makita yung mga deals nila this week. Dito namin nakita yung deal ng yung iPad sa Big W. Sabi nila may package daw ako. Where's my package, babe? In my room? On the bed. Okay. Iko-close ko na sana yung vlog, guys. Pero I got a package from Nice. So, i-open ko. I will show you guys. So, this is from Nice. All Stuff Nice sa YouTube. Meron siyang YouTube channel, guys. So, she lives in the US. And, so, merong mga, dito, stuff dito na para kay, Ann at saka Kath. So, she sent me a picture before kung saan yung para kay Kat at saan yung para kay Ann. And then she has something for Danny Boy as well. So, let's see. Oh, sweet naman ito. Wait, ito ba to? Okay. So, kay Ann to. So, I'm not gonna open that because that's for Ann. This is for you, Dai. Galing kay Nice. And then, this one is for Kath. Ipsy bag siya. Ang cute. Okay. And then, yung para kay Dan. Hala, tinunggol ko na siya sa... Oh, ito. Ito yung para kay Danny Boy. Yan. And then, ito na yung akin, I think. Salamat, Nice. Okay, open natin. First one is this. Thank you, Nice. As in, sobrang thank you. Hala, grabe. Oh my gosh, you did not have to do this. Bakit ang dami? Wait, let's open the card first. Belated happy birthday. Salamat. Best wishes din daw sa amin na Dan. Thank you. Salamat, Nice. Ang sweet naman nun. Thank you. Okay, unahin natin to. Sobrang thank you, Nice. Bigyan niya ako ng fun lacquer. Okay, so what is this one? Oh, nail polish. Nice. I can use this on my toes. Oh, a lipstick. Oh, cool. This is from Elizabeth Arden. And then we have the Wet n Wild. Oh my gosh, I don't have this. Salamat. Liquid catsuit. Thank you, Nice. Babe, you have a gift from Nice. And then she gave me the Smashbox X-rated mascara. Hindi ko siya i-open. And then, oh my gosh, this is a lot. Mr. White now. This is from the Balm. Oh, cool. Is this an eyebrow pencil? Eyeliner. Okay. And then we have... What is this? Makeup Geek eyeshadow. Thank you. Babe, open your gift, ha? And then this one is from the Balm. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of stuff. Eyeshadow again. Hala, ang dami naman ito. Nice. And then we have... is this a magnet? Hala, we have a magnet, babe. From Sikuya National Park. Is that how you pronounce that? Sikwa? I don't know. Lalagay namin yan sa fridge namin. Salamat. Now, ito. Meron pa. Akin to, diba? O, akin nga to. Mask. Red ginseng gold hydrogel mask. Oh, babe, Dan and Rhaze. This is for us. He put a ring on it. Hello, ang cute naman ito. Hello, grabe naman. Ang cute. Ang haba talaga nito. Nakakaloka. Congratulations and best wishes on your marriage. Aw, thank you. Sobrang thank you. Ang sweet naman ito. And then she gave me the Ordinary Colors Light Coverage Serum Foundation. Wala pa ako ng Ordinary na brand. We have the Pure Nature Mask, Aloe Vera, Lebaton. And then, ooh. Oh, this is from M Cosmetics, I think. Napaka-social naman ito. It is M Cosmetics. Napaka-social na ng packaging ni M Cosmetics. Michelle fan. This is Infinite Lip cloud. Ay, I've heard, I think na ano to, na feature to ni Kathleen Lights sa channel niya. I think nagustuhan to ni Kathleen Lights. I'm not quite sure. Kung si Kathleen Lights yun or si Tati ba yun? Lip cloud. Excited na ako dyan. Thank you, nice. Second to the last is the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. Nice. Nagpa-primer na talaga ako lagi. Oh, ito yung sinasabi niya sa akin na i-include niya daw sa package. The Wet n Wild Foundation. Ang ganda naman ng pagka-wrap mo sa foundation na to. Dikit na dikit talaga. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Desert Beige. Yeah, looks like that's gonna be my shade. Sobrang thank you, nice. As in, sobra talaga. Salamat! Grabe, daghan kaayo. Ipa-open na to ni Dani yung gift. Basin chocolate na sad na, ha? Kabaw na dyan ang mga tao kung si ihatag kang Dan. Halo, nagbisaya. Nagbisaya naman ko, eh. Babe, open your gift, please. That's from nice. This.
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Thank you, babe. She gave me heaps of present. Okay. Bait-bait niya.
It's chocolate.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Bakit ako nalulungkot kapag chocolate?
Thank you for the chocolate. Much appreciated.
You still have that pack?
Got heaps of chocolate.
Yeah, you got heaps.
Thank you. It will get eaten.
Of course. Thank you. And that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Bye. Mwah.